Hey YouTube, welcome back here. This is another review of new sneakers here. This is for Air Jordan sneaker, Air Jordan 3 sneakers, new colorway. This is the Varsity Royal. So for the Royal, just means it's the blue. So you can check out the upper, got the blue temple leather here. And also this is the classical for Air Jordan sneakers, got the segment pattern on the shoes. So this both part got segment pattern. You can have a close look. It's with the dark gray and the light gray color mixed together. And along the less lock part, so got three kind less lock. This 5 circle is the metallic one. It's the black, and the second part this is the black one also, but got a different material. This is the plastic one. And the third kind this is the gray color, but different kind like this. And about this part is the gray temple leather with the holes. So this is classical less lock for Air Jordan 3. And turn to the shoe tom. You can do the whole shoe tom is gray color. With so many small holes, it's very good for breathing. And about shoelace is the flat shape or black one. On the top, got blue Jumpman here. And about the front, this part is the pure blue. Is the temple leather, very soft one. And the toe base got the segment pattern. And about the inner side, so got the same blue temple leather. This is the plain one, and this part so both got different pattern. This part a little have the pattern there, but this part is the plain. It is the very smooth one, and the last lock same as the other side. And about the midsole got the white part and the black part, and the midsole also got air bubble, and both part got the segment pattern. On the turbos, this part got the white stitching, so it's to make the shoes more solid. Okay, on the top here got the gray temple leather as well, so how soft one. And then to the back side, this is also classical for Air Jordan 3. It's the rubber. This is the rubber. It's the black one. Got the white Jumpman and the air letter. And then check out the bottom. So you can look. This is the bottom with the blue, white, and the gray color, and got Jordan print there. So now check the inside, the back side of the shoe tom. Got the size tag. So this is the size 8. Got the shoe 3, and the gray blue shoe part. Got the white Jumpman there. Okay, so for more details, you also can check on my web link, and here just give you a quick look. If you want to copy some, please don't forget to contact us or place order on my web link. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.